Here is how you can easily display customer reviews from your Google Business page using Google Reviews Pro app by Market Push Apps. We've added this beautiful widget in just a few simple steps. To add a similar widget to your site, install the Google Reviews Pro app from the Wix App Market. You can find the install link in the video description below. Next is a quick tutorial on the app. Open the Reviews page and click on Connect to Google Business. If you face issues connecting your Google Business profile, make sure you are logged in with the correct Google account in the browser. Additionally, make sure to disable ad blockers. After connecting the page, we can now sync the reviews. Then we can choose between approving all reviews or reviewing them one by one manually. We will approve all the reviews of this page. Once we're done with importing the reviews, we can head to the widget page and switch on the widget visibility. The widget is now visible on the site. We can further edit the widget appearance by clicking on Customize. In this editor, we can change the template style from the Themes menu. Then we can change the content, the layout, and the design of the widget. To customize how the expanded view looks like, click on this icon, and you will have the same configuration options as for the launcher. Then we can also change the position of the widget. Lastly, don't forget to click Save after completing the customization. If you found this video useful, please like or leave a comment. It helps immensely. Feel free to contact us if you need any further help. Thank you for watching.